4. Straight down the middle. It went straight down the middle.
Hi, now I'm going to show you how to actually place the speed control on the Sport 250, one of our most popular trolleys. All you'll need is an 8mm spanner and just a positive drive screwdriver. It's very simple. It'll take probably about 4 or 5 minutes. First of all, what we need to do, again put it on a raised surface and make it a lot easier to actually do, is to undo the 3 screws on the bottom of the top part of the handle, firstly. There we are. I'll just pull out. Okay, that is safe. Then what we do is the 2 screws on top of the handle, unscrew those again, leaving your hand underneath because there's a small nut which you need to catch. So making sure that we've got that. Keep the nuts to one side. Okay, so we take those off. And once we've taken those off, the bottom part of the handle will actually come down. But be careful because obviously it's attached to the top part. And there you can see you've got the 2 jack plugs. And all we do there is literally just separate them by pressing on the centre, pulling the one out, and again with the other one. There we are. Okay, so that then leaves us to be able to actually fit the speed control on the handle without the trolley. What we do now is with the knob, it just pulls off, it's on a spindle. So we pull that off there. And what we do now, again taking an 8 to 10mm spanner, you can see there's a retaining nut on there. So using the 10mm end, again we just undo that. Easy just unscrews off. Again, don't forget you've got the nut and also a washer with it as well. That then just pulls out and there you have the offending speed control, which no longer works. Okay, so you simply take the replacement one, which is extremely well packed. Okay, and basically just reverse the process. So what we do again is place the spindle inside there. Again taking the washer and the nut, placing it on. You can just use your hand initially. Get that nut down there. Okay, you want to make sure that when you do tighten it up, you've got the 2 leads facing up. Okay. Again, you do that relatively tight. There we go. Okay. And again, getting the knob, which literally, I think if you can see on there, you've got a sort of beveled edge inside, and you've got a beveled edge on the spindle. You just match those up and push the knob on. And there you are, you see, turns the knob, you can actually hear the clicking on and off. Then all we do, as I said, is reverse the process, so it's connecting back up the connections that you've got on there and on there. There we are. Okay. Then taking the handle, making sure that none of the wires are trapped when you put it on there. It's connected back up to the handle, like so. What we do then is put the screws back on, again keeping the nut there, so we're screwing that up, and also with that one on the bottom there. As I said, not forgetting the retaining nut. There we are, making it nice and tight. If we can get the other 3 screws, again, it's a lot easier doing it this way. No stretching involved. Place them in there. Again, making sure that these are relatively tight, which prevents any moisture or rain getting inside the electrics. And there we have it, ready to go back on the ring. Thank you.
4. Straight down the middle. It went straight down the middle. Then it started to hook just a wee